This is DJI Spark I have in front of me, and today I'll show how you can enable or disable the camera grid lines on this drone. So at the start, enter the camera view of the DJI Go 4 app. Now tap at the adjustments below shutter button and select the last category here. If you are in the photo mode, it will look like a cog or gear. If you will switch to the video mode, it is going to look like a video camera. Doesn't matter, as you can see the settings stay the same here. So now simply go into the grid and select whether you would like for the grid lines to be switched off, whether you would like to have the regular square grid lines, or you would like to, well, use both grid and diagonal lines here. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.